Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. Let us now look at the fourth problem of exercise 3.1. In that first bit, we are looking, and in this question or problem, they are asking whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or not. If they are consistent, we need to find the solution graphically. So let us find the solution first of all. Normally, these are the given equation, and when you take phi left hand side, you can write x plus y minus phi is equal to 0. Similarly, when you take 10 left hand side, you can write 2x plus 2y minus 10. After that, we need to compare. Then we need to write the values of a1, b1, c1, and we need to write a2, b2, c2 values of this second equation. The next step is ratios finding. Now, in this a1 by a2, if you substitute these values, you will get as shown here on the screen. Then here we have some work. We need to simplify this c1 by c2. So 5 and 10, if you divide with 5, you will get 1 by 2. Finally, these three ratios are equal. So when these three ratios are equal, then what about the solution? They are coincident lines, means the given lines are coincident. You can see here, they will have infinitely many solutions, and they are dependent and consistent. That is what we have written. But in the question they asked, if they are consistent, you please find the solution using graphical method. So let us do. See, this is the equation 1, and from that y is equals to 5 minus x, you can write in place of x, if you put 0 and 5, you will get 5 comma 0 as y values. Similarly, in equation 2, y is equals to 10 minus 2x by 2, again if you put 0 comma 5, you will get 5 comma 0. If you observe these two equations, for all values of x, you are getting same values of y. It means they have infinitely many solutions. If they are getting, both the equations are getting same solutions, they have infinitely many solutions, and they are consistent and dependent. See, you can see here on the graph also, if you point out these coordinates on the graph, you will find the lines as shown here on the screen. And from this, you can clearly say that these two lines are coincident. Okay. So finally, the conclusion is, given pair of linear equations will be having infinitely many solutions. Let us look at the second problem. In this second problem, after comparison, we are getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So in that case, whatever the solution, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then they are inconsistent lines. So it is not required, they don't have solution, it is not required to find the solution graphically.